this is the box break of 08-09 NHL rookie class. So I'm using webcam to do my box breaks, but then I will use my good camera to do closer looks up. For example, one of the ice boxes, I got a Drew Stafford Fresh Threads jersey. So after my videos, I will make a close-up look at the stuff. Okay, so this is how it looks like. They're in packs. This is how the inside looks. So I don't want to like break it. Okay. Okay. So the first pack of rookie class: Lucas Sabisa, Matt DeGottini, Colton Gillies, Oscar Moeller, Josh Bailey, Corey Schneider, Zach Bochuk, Sean Mathias, Jonathan Erickson, Adam Pinot. Oh, Brian Boyle. Oh my gosh. I got a Victor Tikhonov signature. I'll do a closer look up in another video. But oh my gosh, not bad. Justin Abekader, Michael Bodger, Carl Asner, Patrick Berglund, Nikita Flatov, Luke Shen, Toronto, Vladimir Mihalik, Alex Pietrangelo, Mark Fistrick, Zach Bogassian, Claude Giroux, Drew Doughty, rookie. So remember, these are all rookie cards. Michael Frolic, Steven Stamkos. So these are all rookie cards. Because it's rookie class, so they're all rookie cards. Okay, Ilya Zubov, Derek Helm, James Neal, Zuko Vubekik, Derek Bassard, Brandon Sutter, Boris Velabik, Callahan Kuliman, TJ Oshie, not bad, Peter Vrana, Patrick Hornovich. Okay, this time no signature. Alex Goligoski, Kyle Turris, rookie. Oh, 12 Detroit 12. If you want this, we can make a trade. Brian Lee, Kyle Okposo, Ted Purcell, Fabian Brunstrom, Tom Setito, and okay, another Victor Tikhonov. Except this one is signed and this one is regular. Yeah. Steve Mason, Dan Lagosta, Blake Wheeler, Andres Nolde, Robbie Earl, and Laurie Repik Stingmabob. So I am happy. I got a bunch of great rookies that are now not rookies. I was surprised. I didn't expect to get a signature from this box break. So, pretty lucky. I'm not even sure if it says you'll get a signature. It says 50 cards plus one oversized commemorative card of a star rookie. But there's no... Oh wait, there's also one more card. Forgot. Oh, it's a big card, oversized commemorative card of Derek Brassard. So this box gave me pretty good cards, pretty good rookies. Very nice blow up card of Derek Brassard, and very nice signature card of Victor Tikhonov. So this is a good product. Go to your local hobby store and buy this. The guarantee, satisfaction guarantee. So I'll make a close-up videos at these just in case you want to see how they look like and stuff. So yeah, so please comment, rate, subscribe, and wait for the next break. Alright.